Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be doing another video. This is going to be a video on eyeglass repairs, and as you can see here, the earpiece has basically worn out, and the reason this happens is because a lot of eyeglass wearers sometimes forget to take them off when they go to sleep or fall asleep, and or they just hardly ever take their glasses off, and it just, the ear piece just wears out and the metal sticks out. All right, so I went online and purchased these earpieces. This one's by EBJDE. Anyway, they're soft, flexible replacements. Alright, so I'm going to try my best to get this done because right now I don't have my glasses on, so it's kind of hard to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear this off. There you go. Just cut it off, I guess. Think about get the scissors out. Let's see, where is the scissors? There it is. Okay. There we go. And make sure they're both even. Cut them together. I think this much should do. If it's too short, then we'll have to, we got more. Okay. There. That's in. Put this one in. Going in pretty easy. Not too bad for not having my glasses on. It's hard to see, but it's going in. And that's in. So hopefully that'll stay put. Seems like it's kind of trying to come back out, but yeah, this is not trying to stay in, it's trying to slide back out. Maybe if I had maybe put a little super glue on there, maybe that might help. Okay, let's put it on, see if it's comfortable. Definitely a lot more comfortable than wearing them the way it was. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the description. I'm gonna leave the product information in the description down below. If you're having issues with your earpiece that's worn out here and you need to replace that, you just saw how I did it. These are Ray-Ban glasses. The original piece was a hard plastic, not too hard, a lot harder than this one that I replaced it with. Of course, this is more like a real soft rubber band material. But you take the old one off, you strip it off or whatever, and then you order one of these and you cut it to fit, and then you slide it in, and that's how you fix your earpiece, and that's how you do it. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, if you're having problems with your glasses, you need to repair it like the way I just repaired it, check the description down below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. If you make a purchase through my link, you'll be helping me out at no cost to you. Appreciate your support. Bye.